In the vast, azure ocean, far from land, lived a hammerhead shark named Skye. His head unique, shaped like a hammer's blade. His lifestyle, often solitary, a shark's life. Skye felt a sense of unease, a strange new feeling. A curiosity that gnawed at his heart. He longed to learn, to understand. To find his place within the ocean's vast part. One day, he ventured to a coral reef. A place bustling with life, yet unknown. He met a wise old turtle, named Coralina, who was happy to share knowledge unknown. "I hear you seek wisdom, little hammerhead," said Coralina with a warm, knowing smile. "I'll teach you the secrets of the deep. Tales of courage, friendship, and a mile." Skye listened intently, his eyes wide with wonder, as Coralina shared tales of ocean lore. He learned about unity, courage, and more. Lessons that shaped him forevermore. One tale stood out, the tale of the tide. The ocean's master, with a heart so kind. A force that ebbed and flowed, a timeless guide. A lesson on acceptance, a friend to find. Skye realized then, his unique head a gift. A symbol of strength, a beacon of light. He embraced his uniqueness, and with each shift, became a leader, guiding with all his might. In life, we too may feel lost at sea, uncertain of our place, and who we're meant to be. But remember, Skye, when you're feeling small, look within, and find the strength to be free. For the ocean is vast, and it's meant to be explored. Each of us has a role, a tale to unfold. Just like Skye, with his hammerhead scored. Embrace your uniqueness, and never grow old. So let this tale of Skye the hammerhead shark, a lesson of courage and a beacon of light, guide you through life and help you embark on a journey of self-discovery, day and night.